Okay, so what we're looking at here is the drain coming from the utility tub here. So this is all the way back from the stack, probably about 7 to 10 feet. So this is where the discharge for the laundry goes. So these tend to get a lot of buildup and corrosion, which is what we're seeing here on this cast iron material, and it's got standing water in here now. I can't really even get my camera pushed out too far here past this because there's so much corrosion. My camera head's 2 inches. This is a 3-inch pipe. I'll give you some perspective on this. So this is going to need to be descaled, otherwise every time you do laundry it's going to want to back up in this utility tub here and just sit and not drain. So I would definitely recommend this is descaled here. You can see it opens up here as we pull back a little bit more. And it gets more open here. And then as we kind of exit the pipe, you'll see what we're talking about here. This is where we're going in. And then it's right next to the utility tub here. Okay. So this needs to be cleaned out of here. There's a sticker here. At some point it was done in the past, but definitely needs a descaling.